have for you is a comment that has been made by Chhattisgarh Congress MLA, and this has become a big political issue. A major political row erupted after Chhattisgarh Congress MLA Atal Srivastava praised dreaded Maoist commander Hidma, calling him a role model. Srivastava said anyone who protects Chhattisgarh's water, forests and land is a role model and claimed Hidma had done exactly that. These remarks triggered sharp reactions, with the BJP accusing the Congress party of glorifying a Maoist leader. Listen in first to what Atal Srivastava, the Congress MLA, had to say.
और अभी आशंका व्यक्त की जा रही है कि बस्तर जिस तरीके से हसदों के जंगल उजड़ गए, वहाँ लगातार अभी 7 लाख पेड़ काटने का आदेश हुआ है। तमनार रायगढ़ में बहुत सारे पेड़ों की कटाई हो रही है। जल जंगल जमीन लूटने की स्थिति में है। छत्तीसगढ़ की खनिज संपदा को लूटा जाने की कोशिश है। तो मैंने कहा था कि जो भी आदमी जल जंगल जमीन की रक्षा करेगा, जो बस्तर में छुपे हुए खनिज संपदा की रक्षा करेगा, वो हमारे लिए रोल मॉडल हो सकता है, चाहे वो कोई भी हो। हमने किसी के हथियार उठाने पर नक्सलवाद की जो सोच है वो उसको लेकर हमने कोई बात नहीं की।
Let's go across to my colleague Sabyasachi, who is joining us live right now for more on this. Sabyasachi, it was this comment by Congress MLA Atal Srivastava that has literally given ammunition to the BJP, and the BJP is now raising questions. But have we heard anything from other Congress netas on what Atal Srivastava said?
Well, see, I've been trying to reach out to the Congress leaders, but they are not responding. See, the Congress party has not come up with an official response. And after the statement that has been made by legislator Mr. Atal Srivastava, it has given, in fact, a lot of arm and ammunition to the Bharatiya Janata Party, which once again is raising the point that the Congress party has a soft corner for Naxals and urban Naxals. And despite the fact that Hidma was a top Maoist commander, he had carried out multiple attacks on security officers, and over 100 security officers had been killed by the attack that has been carried out by Hidma, and he was killed in 2025. So the BJP is straight away asking that those soldiers who have been killed in these attacks are martyrs and not Hidma, because the statement that has been given by Mr. Atal Srivastava clearly glorifies the Maoist leader, and the Congress High Command needs to come out and issue a clarification regarding the statement that has been given by Atal Srivastava, whether they support this statement or whether they distance themselves from this remark. So till now, the Congress High Command or the Congress party has not officially commented on this matter.
Right. Sabyasachi, thank you very much for your inputs on this particular story. Now, viewers wondering why there is so much of political uproar on this particular comment by a Congress MLA. Why is this becoming a big political issue? He's just called Hidma a role model. So let me quickly tell you who Hidma really was. He was wanted in several states by the National Investigating Agency. He was believed to be behind almost every major violent attack that was carried out by Maoists over the past 2 decades. That's right. These included the 2010 Dantewada massacre, in which, you would recall, viewers, 76 CRPF personnel were killed. And then the attack that took place in 2013 in Chhattisgarh, in which the Congress party nearly lost its entire leadership, including veteran VC Shukla and Mahendra Karma. And the same Hidma today for this Congress MLA is like a role model, and that's the reason why BJP is now asking questions. BJP has launched a scathing attack on Chhattisgarh Congress MLA Atal Srivastava, alleging that he called dreaded Naxal commander Hidma his role model. BJP has accused the Congress party of having a pro-separatist mindset and blamed the party for allowing Naxalism to grow for decades in the country.
कांग्रेस पार्टी हमेशा वोट नीति को राष्ट्र नीति के ऊपर रखती है, और इसीलिए कांग्रेस पार्टी दंगाई, आतंकी, नक्सली के बचाव में आती है। कांग्रेस पार्टी के इमरान मसूद तो कहते हैं कि ताहिर हुसैन इसलिए कन्विक्ट हुए क्योंकि मुसलमान है। अब उनके एक विधायक छत्तीसगढ़ में किस प्रकार का बयान देते हैं, बोलते हिडमा मेरे रोल मॉडल है। मतलब जो सीआरपीएफ जवान हमारे बलिदान देते हैं, जो देश के लिए लड़ते हैं, वो उनके रोल मॉडल नहीं है। जो ट्राइबल्स मारे जाते हैं उनके लिए संवेदना कांग्रेस को नहीं है। कांग्रेस को संवेदना नक्सलियों के लिए, और इससे पहले भी नक्सली को शहीद बोलना, नक्सलियों के लिए आंसू बहाना, नक्सलियों पर कोई हमला ना हो और उनके ऊपर कोई अटैक ना हो हमारी सीआरपीएफ के